The rise of prediction markets in the stock world. Narrator, welcome to Chowla Allahabadia. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving trends in finance, prediction markets and the growing influence in the stock world. Part 1. What are prediction markets? Narrator, prediction markets are platforms where traders don't just invest in stocks or commodities, they bet on specific outcomes. Think of it as combining stock trading with a little bit of sports betting. For example, you can bet on whether the S&P 500 will close above 7,000 points by the end of the year. If you're right, you could quadruple your money. If not, well, you lose it all. Overlay animation showing how event contracts work, buying, yes, or no, positions and the payout structure. Narrator, these contracts are short-term, high-risk, high-reward bets. Platforms like Kalshi, Predictit, and Robinhood have taken the lead in offering these services. Part 2. The legal landscape. Prediction markets haven't always had it easy. In 2022, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, banned some platforms like Polymarket. But the tides are turning. Legal victories in recent years, coupled with a more lenient regulatory environment, are paving the way for these markets to flourish. Narrator, even Congress is weighing in, suggesting these markets could play a vital role in future financial innovation. Part 3. Why are they popular? Narrator, why the buzz? It's simple. Prediction markets offer something traditional stock markets don't, the chance to directly profit from short-term predictions. They're accessible, engaging, and, for those willing to take the risk, potentially very rewarding. Narrator, these platforms are also a hit with data enthusiasts who want to test their forecasting skills against real-world outcomes. Part 4. Risks to consider. Narrator, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Prediction markets are inherently speculative and risky. They're not designed for long-term wealth building and can be as volatile as crypto markets. Narrator, regulation remains a gray area, too. While recent developments are promising, the future of these markets depends heavily on ongoing legal and political shifts. Part 5. The future of prediction markets. Narrator. So, what's next? Prediction markets are poised to expand beyond financial indices. Imagine betting on corporate earnings, global economic trends, or even major tech launches. The possibilities are endless. Clip of a tech entrepreneur discussing prediction markets potential. Narrator, as they evolve, these platforms could redefine how we engage with markets, blurring the lines between investment, speculation, and pure data-driven insight. Narrator, what do you think? Are prediction markets the future of finance or just another risky gamble? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of finance. Thanks for watching.